Hey everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today let's make mouth-watering and restaurant-style recipe for Matar Paneer, a delicious North Indian dish that combines succulent paneer and vibrant green peas in a rich and aromatic gravy. Let's get cooking. Heat oil or ghee in a wok over medium heat. Reduce heat to medium-low. Then add cinnamon sticks, cloves and black cardamom. Spices will release their flavor slowly. Once aromatic, add chopped onions. Briefly separate onions so they brown evenly and saute until they turn golden brown. Browning will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep heat low to medium. It has been 5 minutes. Let's check once. Almost there. Another 2 more minutes. Looks done. Switch off heat and transfer in a bowl to cool at room temperature. Once at room temperature, grind with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to a fine paste and keep it aside to use later. Soak melon seeds in hot water and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Cool and grind to paste and keep it aside. In same wok and oil, add tomato puree and cook on medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. You can add 1 chopped green chili if desired. Saute for another couple of minutes until the raw smell disappears. Stir well. Now comes the magic of spices. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half to 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Keep stirring for 1 to 2 minutes till spices are well combined. Such a beautiful color for our delicious curry. Cook for few more minutes until oil starts to separate from the masala and it has dried completely like this. Now bring in the grounded onion paste and add in tomato masala. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add grounded melon seed paste. This will give a very delicious curry that silky smooth texture. Mix till very well combined. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and simmer on medium-low heat for about 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and give a good mix. Cover on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes till oil separates like this. Then crush kasuri methi in hands and add in simmering masala along with half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Masala for curry is just perfect. It has cooked so well and so smooth and silky in texture. Time to add our star ingredients, green peas and paneer cubes. Add blanched fresh green peas first. You can also use frozen peas, thawed at room temperature and washed well. Wow, such a beautiful medley of colors, isn't it? Our curry is almost ready. Simmer on high-medium heat till peas get well coated with super delicious masala. Add shallow fried paneer cubes gently mix them with the masala, ensuring they are nicely coated. Pour water if needed to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to come together. Garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Gravy looks fantastic. It is rich, flavorful and very fragrant. What an inviting aroma in the kitchen right now. And there you have it. Our special Matar Paneer is ready to be enjoyed. I am serving it with homemade whole wheat lachha paratha. You can serve it with naan, roti or steamed rice as well. Get ready to experience a burst of flavors in every bite. It is definitely a party pleaser recipe, so do give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. You can also check out our previous videos for more culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and thanks for watching.